Today I'm going to show you how we can install the Primavera software, Primavera P6. So here you can see this is my software and I'm going to install it. Let's see, and I'm going to show you the process step by step. Let's open this. As you can see, this is my software setup, and if you take right click and go to this run admin. So here you can see it will take some time and it will show you the pop-up. You can install it easily. See, this is the software. This is the window. Now I will select it as a typical and then go to this installed. So it will take 2 times and it will install. Primavera is the Oracle based software. And as you can see here, once you installed it, you can easily operate it. All right. I will make it okay here. Then now here you have to choose it standalone, then go to next, and here I will mark it, add a new standalone database. Now go to next, and here you need to enter the password. Here we need to enter the password, and then again next, then next, and then finish. So this way we have installed the software. Now you can search here P6. So you can see this is the visualizer and this is the software and this is the database. So we need to open this Primavera P6 Professionals. And here you can enter the password. Okay. Now you can see this way. Now you can enjoy your software. Software is installed now. And this is the software. As you can see, the software is now open. So if you find the video is informative, so keep watching and please like, share and subscribe.